That sound, the click of a modular chin bar locking into place, it's a promise of safety, but what if that promise is broken? A few weeks ago I found out my primary helmet's latch failed during a test, not on the road thank God, but it made me realize we trust these things with our lives, so I went on a mission. I acquired, tested and tortured the 5 highest rated modular helmets on the planet to find which ones you can actually trust. What I discovered will shock you and might just change the helmet you decide to buy. Starting at number 1. LS2 Valiant Modular Helmet. Towing the line between entry-level and mid-range is the LS2 Valiant helmet. The designers over at LS2 took the popular concept of a 180-degree flip and revamped it into a unique mechanism which allows that Valiant to the smallest and lightest modular on the market. Whether you've got the chin bar up or down, enjoy the helmet's pin-lock prepared face shield and drop-down internal sun visor. Comfort padding ensures an enjoyable ride, whilst the fully adjustable dynamic ventilation keeps you cool. The LS2 comes in 2 shell sizes across 8 sizes with a multi-density EPS and kinetic polymer alloy shell to keep your head safe. Number 2. LS2 Strobe II. A sequel to the ever-popular LS2 Strobe modular helmet, the Strobe II builds on all of the excellent features we know and love from the original, and still in a budget-friendly package. The Strobe II modular helmet features a kinetic polymer alloy, KPA, shell, offering state-of-the-art energy-managing flexibility. With both ECE and DOT certification, there really isn't much more you can ask for out of a sub-$200 helmet from a reputable manufacturer like LS2. Number 3. Bell SRT Modular Helmet. Bell makes great helmets, there's no two ways about it. When looking at the Bell SRT Modular, it's no exception. The SRT Modular is the result of a fine eye for details and understanding the needs of riders. The touring and commuting features, such as the flip-up chin bar, speaker pockets, and eyewear compatibility, make this helmet a great option for casual riders. The robust and durable fiberglass composite shell push this helmet to the highest of safety standards for a modular helmet. 2 shell and 3 EPS sizes across 8 helmet sizes help keep this helmet feeling lightweight in tight fighting. Number 4. Scorpion EXO-GT930 EXO-COM Modular. Scorpion has transformed what riders can expect from traditional modular helmets with the release of their EXO-GT930 EXO-COM Modular Helmet. This lid has unique features and functionality that's not yet been seen in the market. Without tools, riders can effortlessly convert the full-face helmet into an open face, and vice versa, to combat any riding condition. Both configurations sport an integrated speed view drop-down sun visor that's easily accessible by a gloved hand. The detachable peak visor can also be used in open face mode, or removed altogether depending on your preference. Most importantly, the helmet is constructed with an extremely tough dual homologated advanced polycarbonate shell and multi-density EPS foam for maximum energy displacement against the largest of impacts. Number 5. LS2 Advant. LS2's Advant series of flip-up helmets is still fairly fresh on the market, but based on the preliminary opinions we've heard, LS2 has once again managed to distill excellent features, styling, and safety into a helmet that won't break the bank. The Advant can be purchased at 3 separate price points, ranging from $359 to $499. Each price point represents a unique shell composition, KPA, kinetic polymer alloy, HPFC, high-performance fiberglass composite, and carbon fiber. All 3 variants of the LS2 Advant feature a healthy variety of color and graphic options. So there you have it, 5 helmets that pass the test and 1 champion that redefines what a modular can be. Remember, the best helmet is the one that fits you perfectly, so use this as your guide. If this in-depth testing helped you make a safer, smarter choice, pay it forward, smash that like button, share this with your riding crew, and subscribe for more no BS gear reviews.